Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. Let's launch the TikTok app. Let's look for accounts. This is the first account. Let's click on the first account that pops up. Let's go on the top right corner. Let's click the arrow and then you will see that you have three different menus popping up. You want to click on the gray menu underneath and you want to click the second option, which is block. What this will actually do, first of all, they will not be able to send you messages. They will not be able to see your post or find your account. This is very important. There is an issue with this. There is a particular flaw. This does not include extended scenarios like multi-host live streams, duets posted by others, or groups chats you both participate in. They will not be notified that you block them. So if you really want to block someone, you want to hide from someone, or you want to simply hide someone from you, you want to make sure that you know all these circumstances that will not provide you with this protection. If you have a duet with someone, you want to make sure that you're the one who is going to post the video. You're the one who is the host of the duet, okay? Otherwise, the other person is hosting it, the other person is recording it, meaning that the other person will be posting it and you're gonna be part of the duet, and the person that you block might actually see you, and they might actually click on you, and they might see that they cannot see your account and figure it out that you actually blocked them. You see how fast things could go wrong? Again, you also want to be aware that if you're part of group chats that you join and they join, it's not a good idea, because again, they will see that you participate in the chat, they can click on your profile and they will see that they are blocked from you, okay? So you want to make sure that these scenarios are in your head when you're actually blocking someone. And this is how you block someone on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.